Okay, good evening everyone.
Coaches, please present at the center court.
Tayo magsisimula na sa ating second game.
Okay, ito na ating last set of final. Games natin. Players, center court po tayo, coaches.
Sir, 0.5 daw kayo. 0.5 daw kayo, takik. Hindi kayo pipicturean. Ang story daw yun. Video pala.
Okay, players, pwede tayo. May hatin muna tayo. Players, coaches, hatin muna tayo. And mga representative from Naru Referees and the organizer of Alitu Open Basketball League here at the Barangay West Rame.
Shoutout po SK Kagawad po cellphone. Alfonso Sandigan.
Okay, shoutout po sa SK Kagawad, Alfonso Sandigan. Sangka, Kampiana!
Ipalas mo nga. Susi.
Palas na. Announce mo na.
Sa committee timer sa kakabilang mga referee. Kung ano yung i-action natin, sana tanggapin natin yung ating mga referee. Okay.
Okay, announcement lang po, baka kung may napulot tayong susi, pakipunatan na lang po dito sa table committee. Okay, welcome to the last game between Dotski and the Villian.
Dotski versus the Villain. Ayan, si Idol Price Tag ang ating guest team for the Villain. Ang kanilang team captain at sa kabila naman
Thanks bro.
si Coach Nick Dagle.
Maganda lang po nun, sila alam.
Ayan, shoutout po.
Okay, first
for
one
the
on the
Dotski.
skip ready to rumble. Dotski Villian, Sangka, Kampiana.
Kampihan na. Dapat ka. Thank you. Ay. Open mo na lang.
Hello, na si Ferdinand Mabasa, Division.
Performance.
And Mr. Russell Susto, the Court General.
Alright, first ball mula sa Villain. And first basket for jersey number 30.
Yedi Guarino. The Court General, to Guarino from the downtown.
Oh, good.
Nice checks. Ganda ng pass.
What a pass.
Yeah, 2 points.
For price tag.
Borderline nga by the Tigre. Ferdinand, lakas yan.
Alley-oop. No good. Rebound for Villain.
Ito na. Soler,
Steal.
Bergera, Custudio.
Russell Custodio.
Al Custudio.
Oh, what a nice layup for Russell Custodio. Price tag for 3. No.
Go, push.
Russell. Cross-court pass.
Back to The point zero, Mr. Adonis Guarino.
Boundary for Dudsky. 5-4.
Tapat.
Price tag ready to pay. Number 80.
In and out.
Score!
The point zero goes to Russell.
Russell to JD.
Adonis Guarino.
JD, bounce pass. What an extra pass. Oh, miss. Rebound by price tag.
And number 9, price tag.
And that's a kick ball.
30 seconds to shoot. Correction, 14. Front court shot clock.
Price
Price
tag.
tag.
Oopsie. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Bola rito ng Dudsky. Up and under miss.
And number 80. 21.
Number 21, no good.
And Ryan Allen. And Guarino.
Guarino. Oh, good. Number 18. Nice the price tag, no good.
And
Oh, basket for the Villain. Russell Custodio. No good. Rebound by number 69. Nice the price tag. Price tag, bounce pass, steal by Russell, out the pass. JD all the way. Basket is good for JD. Guarino. Number 69. Fake. Number 21. Fade away. No basket. Sipo. Pass to Villain. Mabasa. Pass to Russell. To JD. Russell. Stop and pump. No. Rebound by number 69. Outlet pass.
Tira lang. Good shot, Russell.
Wala rito ng dance. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. JD. Alley-oop. Basket. For Bambaza. 9-8. Change favor. Lamang na. Ang Dudsky. Oh. Foul and one.
Number 6, first personal foul, first team foul.
Oh, wala daw. No basket.
Gong!
Sub.
Bilis!
Long three.
Wide open. No. Rebound.
And Guarino.
By JD.
Jenny Guarino.
Guarino up and under. Block.
In the black. Number.
Running shot. Bam. 2 points.
Price tag, tap the ball.
Price tag. Bounce pass.
Number 30. And there's the foul number. Foul number 33.
Si Tatang, mabasok na si Tatang. Tira lang ha.
Number 30 shooting.
First shot short.
Second shot. Bakal. Long Avalos.
Sorry. Thank you.
Entry number 1. Solid, ito na, one again. Number 18, Lumipan! Yes, sir! Come on!
Basket.
Number 23, Avalos.
Abalos. Basket for Abalos. 13-10.
Lagi na.
Ball, tao!
And number 80.
Almost a steal. Oh, good.
Ito na, takbuhan. And good steal. Avalos, steal. Wala yung tira. Wala naman yun. 80. 69. Number 30.
No.
Wala yung tira, 69.
Number 69 with the putback.
Baba tayo, ha, baba.
Down by 1. Oh, sorry.
25 seconds left, first quarter. 16 and 10.
16 and 10.
Solid number 80.
Oopsie.
And there's the foul
Sub.
number 23, Christmas of all. Amen, hindi na sinusunod na. Ayun o, daming pala. Number 80 shooting to first shot.
First shot.
Basket.
Basket.
And the second shot of number 80. Bakay naman.
14-13 naman. Official score 14-13 and 1 point lead for Dadsky. Stop and pump. Block from behind.
Nice
Nice
tag.
tag.
Ayun na. And there's the foul number. Seventeen man.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 2 seconds.
Yeah.
First shot is good.
Second shot.
Pumasok ba? Hindi na.
Wala pa rin.
No good. 14-13 eh.
2 minutes 55 seconds left. First quarter.
Stop and pump for 3. No.
Big rebound.
Wala na eh.
69.
Hands up!
Wide open for 3. In and out.
A big
Go,
rebound.
Rod,
On the Dadsky.
Rabi, waka na Rab! Rab, waka na!
Uy, what a
Oh,
pass.
nice behind the back basket. 16-13. 3-point lead for the Dadsky.
And 69 Alvarez. Price tag number 9.
Price tag. Spin.
2 minutes 15 seconds left.
Oh, no. Number
Number
30.
13, naipit. Isn't it?
Bam! Goes to the glass and score. Down by 1.
Kailangan.
See, last touch.
Just lobby kayo bro, ayusin nyo. Linisin nyo.
And number 69 on the ball.
From the corner to number 69. To number 30. No good. And rebound for Dadsky.
17. Down.
Oy! Oh! KD in the house.
The veterans now.
Kick out. Price na. Babawi sa 3. No! And a rebound. Pasok Price tag again. Too strong.
In and out.
Wala pa rin.
17, naibig na number 69.
Pero steal. Number 18. No good. Kick out. Done now, 4-3. No good.
Foul na.
Uli.
Stolen ng Avalos.
Tatlo kayo, tatlo.
Oh, basket for John Paul. 2015.
Okay na.
5-point lead for Dadsky.
To number 9.
Price tag. Spin. And gets the foul
Foul number.
by John Paul.
Foul number 23 committed. Third personal
Time
foul
remaining, last
number
19 seconds
23.
on the free throw area. Price tag.
And number 9 shooting 2. Right shot. Basket.
First shot is good.
Second shot. Basket again.
Look! 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 Last shot.
Okay. 2017 and Dadsky up by 3 points.
2017.
10 seconds left.
Catch and shoot, no good. 3, 1. No basket.
No basket.
Official score
And
2017.
of the first quarter,
Official score 2017 in favor of the Dadsky. Tayo na ako na sa ating second quarter. Lamang ang Dadsky ng 3.
okay, ang reviewing sa Guarino Family.
Nakita yung
Susunod. Okay, second quarter. Ay, nasa loob na rin si Rainier, makakay.
Pinasok na si Rainier.
Pride of Barangay, Santa Lucia.
Alright, second quarter tayo. Lamang pa rin ang 3 ang Dadsky.
Big shot. Yes, sir.
Basket. 22-17.
And yes. Number 30.
Uy, wala.
Versado Pilipino. Ayan. Isa
That's a
job.
jump ball.
There's the base. Back to number 32. Brown the downtown.
No good.
Saboy. Solid on number 18. Taking shot. And there's the little foul number 12. Ah, 22.
Foul number 42.
42. And 21 shooting 2.
Lo. Pag ganun, baba mo na. Ikaw na magbaba.
Second shot.
17 good.
Basket.
22-18.
And 31 drop there.
In favor pa rin sa Dadsky. 4-3. No good. And rebound. Reverse. Block.
A rebound on number 21.
Baba na.
Rebound by number 21. Pass number 30. Number 30. SE. Kick out. Fake.
Number 82, number
Pass number
30.
30.
Versado Pilipino.
Wala.
Magkasama ko. Black and Edna. Lumipad.
No
Now.
good. And a steal.
Number 1.
Number 1 to number 21. Kinalawa. And there's a foul.
Foul number 42.
Foul number 42.
Second personal foul.
That is second personal
And
foul.
Fingerly on Dubsky.
First shot is good.
First team foul.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 15
Tingnan natin
seconds.
second shot. Basket.
Basket.
Four,
4-3, in and out.
And
Offensive rebound, gets the foul.
And a foul number 21. 21 needed. First personal foul, first team foul, shooting you, number 42.
Number 42, shooting for 2. First shot is good.
Second shot. Baka naman.
23-20.
Ready to play. Number 1.
Taas kamay! Taas kamay!
Number 18 from the downtown.
No good. Rebound by Dadsky. All the way, basket.
21.
Number 32, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound the Dadsky.
Number 80. Using the
Use in the glass, basket. With a bank shot. 23. Oh, correction, 22. 25 is a long 2 for Villain. Cross court. Out of bounds. 25-22. 3-point lead for Dadsky.
Down the ball.
Oops.
Number 18.
Foul number 18. Pushing
Foul
down,
number 18. Pushing foul.
Number 18 committed. First personal foul. And the second team fouls.
Uy!
Number 30.
Good man. 51.
Oh, good.
AJ na lang pala sa AJ. Sino yung Osmano? Ayun, nakataling buhok.
32.
Uli.
Number 4.
Running shot. Basket. Change favor.
Bahala dyan sa mga yan.
Naman na rito ang The Billion.
The Villain.
Makatagay. To number 18 from the downtown.
In and out.
Makatagay. Goodbye. Super.
Basket for Rainier.
Harap, harap!
Makatangay.
Para sa Dudsky.
Balik ang kalamangan sa Dudsky.
Hands up, Black! Hands up!
32 to 21.
Catch and shoot. Basket. 3.
Palitan lang ng basket.
Correction, it's a 2 points. Ravel.
Okay, balik na uli si the Coach General Russell Custodio at the Demolition. Mapasa. Abang ko dito si Justin Porto.
Cox!
And now,
Same!
nagaling mo na si Lolo. Ayan, umilaw yung buwit. Ay pushing foul number.
And that's a pushing foul for Villain. God pass.
Baba na!
Number 20, first person.
Ilalim!
Number 1.
Catch and shoot. No good.
Sabi dito na rin yan. Sabi dito na rin yan, mga katangay. Huwag ka sa harapan ko.
Rep! Wala push!
Hands up!
Ilan kay Rinier makatangay. Number 18, ito na. Lumusot. 28-27, palitan ng dito ng basket. 4 minutes, 35 seconds. Here at the second quarter. Era, sa Court General Costudio.
Oh,
Ilaw.
good. Out of bounds.
Kabila naman.
Oh, labas ka. Mamaya naman.
32. Fake shot. Subject and a foul number.
Mamaya pagtapos.
Number 22.
Labas ka na, labas ka.
Shooting foul. First personal foul and number 1.
Sel.
Shooting.
Russell, tawagin nyo yung mga tao nyo para alam nyo yung ginagawa dyan nyo.
On the free throw area, number 1.
Basket 1.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
And second shot.
Second shot, basket 2 for 2 for Villain. Another steal. Oh! It's a back shot for Villain. Jump shot, short. Time out. Time out muna rito ang Dodds.
Muli po, maraming salamat sa mga organizer ng Ali 2.
Ayan, maraming pong salamat sa ating mga organizer for Ali 2 Basketball Open League.
Of course, pasalamat din po tayo sa ating buting kapitan, Kap Lino Trinidad and Barangay Council of Barangay West.
Ayan, maraming pong salamat.
Sa ating mga organizer ng Ali 2 Open Basketball League. Of course, nandiyan sila Mr. John Lopez, Mr. Cacho de la Cruz, Mr. Al Casaba, and maraming salamat sa inyo sa mga sumusuporta. Isang magandang Barangay West Carbo sa ating lahat.
Bola rito ng
Pressure.
Villain.
And very good work. Number 30.
Stay low, stay low.
10 seconds to shoot.
Catch and shoot, no good.
Recover number 30. 5.
Hit that shit.
Block.
3
For a
seconds.
block
to shoot.
there.
3
For
seconds.
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Seconds to shoot.
Jump shot, no good.
A big rebound. And then out there.
Pater.
Tumama sa rin.
Baba!
69.
Yun, oh.
Uy. Grabe naman pagpitin nun.
Court General Russell.
Custodio block. Walang tawag. Oopsie.
Roger!
Wala naman tayong pole dito, sir eh.
Dito tumunog, oh. Sir, sub? Wala.
Tara, nabagpasok na.
Ayun, balik ulit si Mr. Adonis J.D. Guarino.
Gitna!
Wide open. Bam! 3.
Number 33.
34, 30.
Tayo ng tao, JD!
2 minutes and 28 seconds left.
4-3. Bam! 3.
Number 30.
37, 30.
Guarino.
JD. Fake. Kick out. Oh, that's a stepping on the line.
Umilaw.
Baba. Oh, tao nyo. Tao nyo. Tao nyo.
Number 30. Jump the ball.
Wide open, no good.
And the blocking foul on number Number 1, first personal foul. And the third team foul on Vivian.
Gitna!
Number 1.
No good.
Final rebound, Mabasa. Wala pa rin. Focus lang kayo sa grades. And number 32.
At a high
Number
post.
30. Ang bangga. Diba? Kumar. Mabasa. Offside. Wala pa rin.
Last 48 seconds. Uy.
45 seconds na.
Diretso mo, Luke.
Okay, dahil na. Number 1. Dapat atras yung table.
Time remaining. Last 42 seconds.
Side na lang, side.
42 seconds left.
Yan lang. Okay, ready?
And Lillian up by 9 points. Number 1. Or 3.
No good.
Mabasa.
That's a trouble.
Is the foul.
Time out.
Timeout. Lillian.
By Villain. Time remaining. Last 25 seconds. 39-30.
Nag-drumable siya eh.
Uliwasan siya, di ba nadulas? Nadulas yung player. Nadulas yung dalawang paa niya. Kaya siya...
Galing siya dribble eh.
Nilangat niya yung dalawang paa niya eh. Saan na magiging tribute niya? Umangat yung dalawang...
Okay, back to the ball game.
Bilisan niyo yung swing, bro.
25 seconds left.
Last 25 seconds. 39-30.
25 seconds left.
3-point lead para sa Team Villain.
Seconds. Ayan. Obvious na yan. Offensive foul.
That's offensive foul.
Wala, na-extend yung ano, yung elbow.
Last 14 seconds.
Wala pang may team control. Ano pa kayo? Ayun na.
Time remaining 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds.
Baba!
Oopsie, out of bounds. Last 1 seconds.
1 second left.
1. And that's the end of our first half. Fisher score 39-30. 9-point lead for Villain. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Lamang ng siyam ang Villain. Kaya muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik for the second half.